Okay, welcome to this lesson then on expanding brackets. A bit more advanced this lesson. Okay, so I put a starter on the board here. Have a go with the starter and then come back when you're ready. Okay, welcome back then. Let's go with the starter. Remember to expand the brackets. You just times everything inside the bracket by everything outside. So 3 times x is 3x and 3 times 11 is 33. I need a plus here, look, all right, because there's positive 11. So I'll be adding on 33. This one, 5 times x is 5x. There'd be a minus in the middle this time. And 5 times 9 is 45. This one, 7 times 2x would be 14x. See, because 7 times 2 is 14, and you've got the x on the end, there'll be a plus in the middle. And 7 times 8 is 56. And this last one, you might have needed the box method. 21 times 36x. 21 times 36 is 756. Don't forget the x at the end. And this time, 21 times 2 is 42, but there's a minus here, so it would be minus 42. All right, that's the starter done. Times everything inside the bracket by whatever's outside. So today now we're going to look at expanding more advanced brackets. So here's our examples. Okay, so pause the video, write these down, and come back when you're ready to go over the answers. Okay, welcome back. So this first one now looks a bit different, doesn't it? But the method's still the same. You do x times x first of all. Now remember, okay, x times by x is x times by itself, remember? And that's a square. So x times x is actually x squared. I know there's going to be a minus in the middle. And then x times 5 is 5x. It's that easy, okay? This one, I'll just do y times 12. Well, that's 12y. There's going to be a plus in the middle. And then y times y would be y squared. Easy. This one, a bit more complicated. 4x times 3x. Well, 4, think about the numbers first, sorry, let's see. 4 times 3 is 12, and x times x is x squared, plus, and then 4x times 5, well, 4 times 5 is 20. Don't forget to put the x on the end. Job done. And this last one here, 11x times 7 would be 77x. Don't forget the minus in the middle. And then this one, 11 times 3, first of all, is 33. Then you've got x times x, which is x squared. All right, so very simple, isn't it? Just like the starter, just watch the squares and watch the signs. And it's really easy to do. Okay, right then, so the main task, here it is. Pause the video, have a go, and expand these brackets when you're ready, and then come back for the answers. Okay, welcome back. Here's the answers. Okay, I put them all in yellow. All right. The only thing you may have noticed on the last question on each column, your initial answer. See here, for example, this is 4x squared plus 4x squared. Because these x squareds are like terms, you could combine these two. So 4x squareds add 4 more x squareds will give you 8x squareds overall. You can combine these identical terms. Same for question 10. All right, see, I had 8x squareds, add 4x squareds. Well, that's 12x squareds altogether. And the last one was the same, okay? You had 8 and 8. So 8 and 84 are the same thing. And you can combine those. You couldn't add these with the x squares because it's just x. You can only collect together things that are identical. Okay, so that's done. Let's put the heading checking question in, and here it is. So pause the video, and then have a go, and come back when you're ready. Okay, welcome back. So this one here, same method, a bit more carefully, okay? Now 4 times 6 is 24. But now I've got w squared times w. Now remember, w squared, remember, means w times w. So that's w squared, and I'm timesing that by another w. Can we see that there'd be 3 w's in a row? So this actually would be w cubed. That's what the power of 3 means. There'd be 3 in a row. All right. Then there's going to be a plus in the middle. And then 4w squared times 7. Well, 4 times 7 is 28. And don't forget the w squared on here. Okay. Nice and easy. And this last one here, factorize means put back into brackets. Okay. It's the opposite of expanding. It's reversing the process, the inverse operation. So I'm trying to think what brackets this answer, if you like, came from. All right. So I'll show you my thought process. I know for a fact there was definitely an x outside the bracket. Obviously, let me get a bracket on the go first of all. There had to be a plus in the middle, you see, because there's a plus here. So I've got to put a plus in the middle there. All right. And there was definitely an x outside. See, because I can see an x in both of these terms. There's definitely an x outside here. I wonder if anyone else spots as well that there's something else outside, but perhaps if we could spot that, because if I think about 8 and 10, I think that there's definitely a number that I could have times it by to make 8 and 10. Can we see these here are both in the 2 times table, aren't they? All right. So actually, I could also pull a 2 outside as well. All right, because there's a 2 in both of these as well. See, 2 is a factor of 8 and 10. That's why it's called factorizing. Now, what's got to go here in the first term of the bracket? Well, I need another x to make the x squared. And then 2 times something is 8. Well, 2 times 4 is 8. So that should work. For the second part of the bracket, I've already got the x. No need for it. I just need 2 times something is 10. Well, 2 times 5 is 10. So let's check this now, see if it works, okay? 2x times 4x. Well, 2 4s are 8. X times x is x squared. And then 2x times 5. 2 5s are 10. Put the x on the end. And that is what I wanted. They match up. So I'm correct. So if I put my answer here without all the colors, the answer is 2x brackets 4x add 5. And with that, we are done. So a very short, sharp topic there. All right. But hopefully it went okay. Thanks for listening. Thanks for watching. Stay safe. And we'll see you soon.